The controversial self-proclaimed godwoman Radhe Ma will be recording her statement in the dowry harassment case at the Kandivali police station later today. So that is going to be the appearance that Radhe Ma is supposed to make to record her statement in the Kandivali police station. If she fails to do that, there could be punitive action taken against her. Let me go across to Kajal Iyer, who's reporting on this story for us. Yes, Kajal, what can you tell us about what time Radhe Ma is supposed to appear before Kandivali police station, and what has been the progress into the investigation of this case where she is accused of inciting dowry harassment?
Well, so far we have been told that Radhe Ma will be appearing at Kandivali police station at around 12 o'clock. We are right now outside the house where she's staying in Varkeshwar, which is about 1.5 hours away from the Kandivali police station. So she should be leaving this place at around 10:30 to reach Kandivali police station by 12, which is when she's supposed to be recording her statement at the Kandivali police station. We hear from the Mumbai police sources that they have already recorded the statements of the in-laws and other people named in the FIR by the Kandivali resident who has alleged dowry harassment. According to her, all this dowry harassment by the family was done at the behest of Radhe Ma. In fact, her counsel also argued yesterday in the anticipatory bail plea that Radhe Ma was the decision maker of the family, and she is the person who incited them to ask for dowry. So this is the main charge against her, and Radhe Ma will have to now go to the Kandivali police station and try to satisfy the police that she had nothing to do actually with the dowry harassment case, and that she had been falsely implicated.
Yes, in fact, Kajal, that's exactly what her lawyer said, that she's being falsely implicated, that this is a case of domestic violence and Radhe Ma didn't literally have anything to do with it directly. So how difficult will it be to really prove the incitement that she is accused of?
There is one legal loophole that Radhe Ma and her lawyers can obviously manipulate, which is the fact that 498A, the section under which dowry harassment cases are booked, are generally applied only to family members. So her lawyers will try their best to try and see to it that the Mumbai police is caught on this aspect that she's not a family member, and therefore she cannot be actually asked to be responsible for the dowry harassment, and that the in-laws and other family members are the people who will be directly responsible for the dowry harassment. But at the same time, the fact is that she has been the spiritual advisor or the decision maker of the family, so she will have to prove that she had nothing to do with actually advising the family to harass their daughter-in-law for dowry. So that is one crucial aspect on which she will be grilled today.